All right. Week one. Who doesn't want to see my face? Well, there I am. Oh, I'm a mess in the back. Mess in the back. Oh, mess in the back. A mess in the back. Hey, week one is done, and boy, will I never post a wind rating expectations again. Amy Valmassi got a check on her dad's data. It was from 9, but went up to a 14 or 15 mile an hour gusts. That was really windy. I'm apologize right off if I've misled anyone on coming out. I feel so bad. The coolest thing about that, I mean, I love those days. And sometimes I'm scared about those days because I feel like those days, windy days, reveal things, reveal boat issues, right? They reveal tactical issues. They reveal trim issues. Like, there's so many things that it reveals. Sometimes even my character, right? So I hope the ladies that were sailing enjoyed that day. I know tipping over sometimes is not fun. I know there were 3 or 4 out there. It revealed that those gals on rescue boats did great. I think our race committee did great. It was so fun to have Gary and Ann out there together. And Ray brought out the crew over at the end. What would I call it? The northwest end of Lotawana was out there just watching those races. Actually, I think I saw about 8 boats, 3 kayaks. Pam Sweezy was out there with Chris and just educating and watching and sharing insights. It's really cool to have her share her wisdom, and I hope to get more from her because I need to learn from her. I just need to learn. A couple other things. We had a sailors meeting on the lower deck of my sister's house, and I think that went okay. I shared parking locations. I don't have parking locations for 15 people, but if you carpool together or take a boat over together or something like that, we could probably make it work. We've agreed to do it there next week. So sailors, I hope to see you there next week. And the non-sailors, thanks again for coming out and watching. I am this close to getting a Facebook Live event where Pam Sweezy will help us commentate on the starts. I think that'll be really neat. Or really any other area of the race she'd like to share with us. Again, wealth of sailing knowledge, right? So keep things out there. I wanted to show you this if you're not there yet. Haven't seen it on Facebook. I know there are 259 people that follow this. So the odds are most of our sailors are following the Lake Lotawana Social Butterflies. And so basically, we've got some pictures going on. So cool. Thank you, Pat. Thank you, Chuck, for going out and taking pictures of those races. And just seeing how fun it was, right? Pretty cool stuff. There are some like this. How do they get spaced like that? Just random. And it just works out. I feel left out on that one. So anyways, just a quick announcement, some thanks to, again, a race committee, our rescue boats. I thought they did a great job for a first try. Thanks for all the input from our sailors. Thanks for coming out and watching. Everybody that is not sailing this year, I hope you enjoyed it. It was a lovely day. And here's looking forward to next week, see what comes, right? So hope to see you guys next week on the water. Let me know if you have any questions, and woohoo, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's stop the video.